Hi Chummies! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, I am excited to share my new discovery with you, which is a new earning and legit app. If you want to know what it is, just keep on watching. So ito na nga, Chummies, without further ado, I am introducing to you the Lyka app. So what is Lyka? Lyka is one of the hype social media platform as of today. For me, it's like Instagram that you share your creative photos or videos, but with a twist. What it is, you'll find later. So where you can download the Lyka app. You can download the Lyka app on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Yes, it is applicable on an iPhone and an Android phone. And if you're gonna ask me what is the difference of Lyka app among other social media apps, it is that you can earn money while enjoying this application, especially when you have free time. How? Just by posting your photos or videos. So, magtataka kayo, paano ko mag-earn by just posting photos or videos? There is a corresponding gems upon posting a video or a photo in your feed, and 1 gem is equivalent to 1 peso. Yes, you heard it right. You can buy using gems only. If you're gonna ask me how can I earn more gems, first and the basic one is to post every day at least 10 on your feed and at least 10 on your moments or my day. 0.05 gems by posting a picture or a video, and by max rating of photo or video, you're gonna earn 0.02 gems. Second, you can join games and giveaways in the Lyka community. And if you're gonna ask me, is it legit? Yes, it is 100% legit because I already purchased using my gems. Watch out for that video that I'll be posting next on how did I use my gems to buy a baked California Maki. Next, if you're gonna ask me how many posts is required per day, actually limitless, but you can only earn by posting max of 10 photos or videos per day, 10 on your feed and 10 in your my day or moment, as I've said a while ago. Another question that will pop in your mind is that where can I buy using these gems? So there are 3,000 merchants out there partnered with Lyka that I'll be putting in here, so just you can see that many merchants trusted Lyka. And if you consider downloading this app, I'll be putting the link on the description box below for an Apple and an Android. Also consider following me on Lyka, that is alymaeji. And you can join my games and giveaways in Lyka. And what are the common terminologies used in Lyka? First is UN, which is username. And then second is max rate, which is like this. Also, you'll be encountering some of the influencers in Lyka, and you'll be wondering what is that number in their profile picture. That is VIP badge, and 1 means that person already reached 10,000 gems, and so on and so forth. So kung may makakita kayong mga ganyang badge, i-follow nyo yung mga yan. Kasi for sure, namimigay yan ng mga gems and nagpapagames sila. So, mga garanti ang mga yan. I'm not saying all, but yeah, some of them. For me, nagpapagames ako or nagpapagiveaways ako by following me or my Facebook pages. So, auto-gem yun. So, abang-abang lang kayo ng mga ganyan sa mga kapwa nyo Lyka users. Also, sali kayo sa mga community ng Lyka. Ito yung mga pages na need nyong salihan or kung gusto nyo salihan para magkaroon kayo ng mga followers because most of the Lykans are active and they do follow to follow if matyaga ka because they gonna be putting their username on the comment box if you're gonna be posting on one of these pages. And yeah, patience is a virtue. Kasi one by one mo silang i-add and sometimes it saddens you or nakaka-frustrate because they're not going to follow you back. So, don't be sad. Karma na lang nila yon. Continue to do follow to follow and then max rate their post. Malay nyo, bigyan nila kayo ng gems. It's up to you kung paano yung strategy mo to have more followers and kung sikat ka talaga or one of the influencers is your friend. Yan, mabilis ang pag-follow sa'yo ng mga yan. And then, also, yung mga nagbibigay ng biyaya talaga, masyushook ka na lang talaga. Gaya ni Travel Tayo Now 2019. On my second day using the Lyka app, he or she already gave me 1,000 gems. So, hindi ko makakalimutan yun kasi patulog na ako nun. And then my ringtone pops up and I do check it. Text si Lyka na pinadahan niya ako ni Travel Tayo Now 2019 ng 1,000 gems. So, kapit lang mga best. Kapit lang mga chums. Magbibiyaraan din kayo ni Travel Tayo Now 2019. Two of Lyka users already asked me what did I do para mapansin ako ni Travel Tayo Now. Because that time hindi ko pa naman siya kilala. Basta nakikita ko lang sa pages na i-follow siya, ibigay siya ng gems, ganyan. That time, ang nilike or minax rate ni Travel Tayo Now 2019 na post ko ay ito. Yan. Doon niya ako binigyan na 1,000 na gems. So, I'll be putting here all that I know na namimigay ng gems. So, kung may hindi pa akong nabanggit dito, kayo nang bahalang mag-discover kasi for sure, makikita nyo naman siya once na nag-join na kayo ng page ng Lyka. And maging certified Lykans na rin kayo. Also, sa mga kanood dito, kindly download the Lyka app now and experience the seamless transactions and the remote payment using Lyka.
Happy monthsary Lyka! Dahil dyan magpapa-gems giveaways ako, kindly read and follow the mechanics.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup.
There you go, you have an insight already what it is in store for you in Lyka. And that's it. Thank you for watching, chummies. Kindly hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking susunod na videos. And see you again soon. Bye!